It's always fun to have with us Joe Coleman from those Callaways, because whether you're buying or selling a home, they're going to help you out. But we also get to hear about fabulous homes. So what do we have today?
Yeah, we have a great home. It's on Campo Bello in actually the original Desert Ridge. It's a cul-de-sac property, so it's just a nice quiet street. It's a beautiful location, just minutes from all sorts of things. And it's a great 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. One of the bedrooms though is just really just oversized to understate it. Would make a great home office, home gym, just really anything, a guest suite. It's got a wonderful backyard with a pool, over 2,000 square feet, vaulted ceilings. It's just a wonderful property. It's $599.9. It's going to be open today 1 to 4, and just really a great property that's definitely going to go fast.
And you know, I'm a big fan of the area, so that's one of the big pluses. But that house is going to go really quickly.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, for everything that they're getting and in that neighborhood. So basically, people are just going to be calling you for whatever. If they're going to be selling or they're going to be buying, you're going to help them and you're going to make life easier. Because I'm telling everybody that you're going to do this, so you're going to do that.
Absolutely. It's always best to give us a call, especially in 85254, at least to get a value for your property, what needs to be done, what doesn't need to be done. It's always best to start with us, and we'll make sure you're all taken care of.
Well, I appreciate that. All right. Well, thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.